Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Erica and today's video is going to be a bonus video here on my channel. I did a few DIYs around my home and I wanted to share those with you, and this was at the request of a couple of my friends over on IG. So I really hope that you get some motivation and some ideas from this video today. I truly have a passion for DIY, and I am so grateful that I have a husband that supports all of my ideas, and so you will see him throughout this video helping make my ideas come to life. And to my husband, if you are watching this, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you do for me. So I really hope that you all enjoy this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which project is your favorite. For my first project, I am going to make a wreath, and the type of wreath that I'm trying to mimic is called a boxwood wreath, and this is something that you can see in farmhouse decor. My initial thoughts when putting this together was that I was going to simply hot glue it down and that would be the end of the story. But I quickly realized that that was not going to be an option just because the garland is so thick and heavy. The glue wasn't going to hold it at all. I had to quickly figure out what my next best option would be. I knew that I didn't have any floral wire, but I did have twine. And so twine it was. I used twine to wrap this garland around my wreath. Here is my finished wreath. It took me about 30 minutes to get it all tied on. Once you put it up on the wall, you can further fluff it up and trim around it just to give it a more even look. For our second project, we are going to make a towel hook for our children's bathroom. We've recently done a little bit of updating to their bathroom, and I took off the towel holder that was there just because I personally do not like the traditional towel holders, the rod kind that you see in bathrooms normally. I really like the more rustic looking kind, and so we are going to make one today. I purchased the hooks off of Amazon. They were under $6. We already had this piece of wood as well as the stain, so this project is going to cost us nothing at all. The last thing that I am doing is filling these holes with putty. This putty will dry a bit darker, so I'm hoping that it'll just blend in. Even if it doesn't, it's absolutely fine. But I'm really loving the way this project came out. It's exactly what I was envisioning. My kids have plenty of space to hang plenty of towels, especially when our guests come over. Everyone can just hang their towel up. This is the kids' bathroom. It looks amazing, and I couldn't be happier with it. I have totally been on a reorganization binge the last couple of months, and this project is as a result of that. This project is for our pantry, and my husband and I came up with a name for it. It is a pantry dolly. What is a pantry dolly? Well, if any of you have a pantry, you know that the bottom of your pantry is just the floor. So it's really hard to get things in and out of there just because it's all the way down on the floor and things get lost in there. So I'm making this dolly because I want to be able to pull out whatever's at the bottom of my pantry and push it back in. That way nothing gets lost and it's just way easier to find something when we are looking for it. For our rolling wheels, we are actually going to use something that we picked up at the 99-cent store. This is actually for a plant. It's a plant base with wheels. It just seemed easiest and cheapest for us to do it this way. This entire project will have cost us $4. So each of these plant bases cost $2 each. We already had the piece of wood and I already had the stain. So $4 is a steal for this project. So seriously, isn't this the coolest thing ever? I can just now pull it in and out and nothing gets lost back there and nothing's on the floor. And I really, really love that. So huge thank you to my husband for helping me bring this to life. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. These are just things that I've done for myself in my home, but hopefully you can get some ideas from it as well. I hope you have a great week. And I hope that you're subscribed so that you can be on the lookout for my video on Friday. Bye.